Pagod ako. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today, meron tayong blessing galing kay Ate Rain. So, pumila sila sa pilahan ng ayuda. And ito ang ayuda box here in America. So, let's get started! Of course, hindi mawawala jugs of milk. I'm saying 2 jugs of milk. So, kamusta? Paano na yung picos natin dito sa pamilya? Pero, thank you so much. Next, buksan na natin the actual, box. Punong-puno, siksik-liglig at nag-uumapaw ang ating box for today. So, let's start with, Mommy! You know naman that I love chicken nuggets! Oops! Alam na. Ano ba to? Yum. Selected, potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Look at factor ang mangyayari. Then we have noodle soup. Bongga. Ayan o. Pa-noodles. Kaso Nissan ramen. At meron tayong mga, what is this? Blueberries. Diba? Dati mga aratiris lang. Ngayon, naka-blueberries na. At libre to ha. This is free. Pumila si Ate Rain. Ate Rain is my friend from Sinai Hospital. Ganun, laban. Next is French fries. Dapat i-freezer ko na pala to. Baka mamaya defrost. And we have, ano ito? Ano to? Karami naman. Ang dami. My God. Ano to? Mozzarella cheese. Ganito karami. Ganito karaming cheese. Anong gagawin? Papakin? Ito, pang spaghetti. Alam na. Napakarami nito. Hindi ko maano. Baka mag-expire agad. Totoo, expiration. Best by 5/5/2025. Oh wow, alam na. Then we have pizza crust. Yum. Tatlo pala to. May isa pa. Chicken flavor. Okay. Totoo. May pag-grape si Mayor. Napakabongga. Oh my gosh. Grapes. May blueberries, may grapes. At syempre, hindi matatapos ang fruit salad natin nang walang apples. Dami, Hindi ko alam paano kainin. Healthy living na talaga. Oh my God. But thank you. Thank you very much. Pak, diet pa more. Oh. Macaroni, kompletong fruit salad ni Ashton sa kanyang birthday. Ganyan. Alam na. Uy, parang parang pafitang style. Snackers. Crackers. Thank you. Very nice. Ay, ito, beb ko. Oh, wow. Pak, ano to? Ignorante pastry to go. Fudge cookies. Thank you. Very nice. And the expiration is, when is this gonna expire? 9/16. Alam na. Anong mangyari? And last but not the least, we have Raisin Bran para sa milk na pagkarami-rami. Actually, marami pa akong mga cereals na hindi ko nakakain. But, thank you Lord for the blessing. And last but not the least, tada! Pasta! Balana! Thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so much food. So, hindi na ako mag-grocery for this week. I'd like to thank my sponsor, Kuya and Ate Rain. Thank you very much guys sa pagpila at pag-alala sa akin. Ate Rain, you know naman, Ate Rain is a new mom. Then, she knows that I love chicken nuggets. Thank you for watching. Bye now.